Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this little icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. Finally, select Files section to add an audio file. You can select it from recent files right away by clicking on Audio filter and holding the chosen one. Or you can also select one of those apps. If you wish to, you can even click on those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. When you're done, hit select at the top right corner after selecting your file. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio one was successfully added. In order to add a video, click on Gallery section instead. Look for your video here and click on it. Then tap on one of those options and save your changes by hitting Add at the bottom left corner. You can also click on Folders at the top and look for your video over here the same way as an audio file. Then hold it and tap on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!